One of the things you can use ChatGPT for is something that we also tend to use Google or YouTube for as well, and that is just asking how-to questions. I think that it would be great for us to get into the habit of bringing our questions directly to a chat feature, or there's AI built into Google now, or Bing as well. But just get into the habit of asking these questions through these chat services rather than always shooting your professor an email. So here are some examples. Let's say you've typed your paper in Google Docs, but you've got to submit it as a PDF. Well, type into ChatGPT, how do I download a Google Doc as a PDF? And you will get step-by-step instructions. Now, this is also warning you that ChatGPT has not been updated since January 2022. So it said if the steps don't match your current version, you can usually find the option under the file menu, and it gives you suggestions. But this is definitely the correct answer to this question. If you follow those steps, it will absolutely work for you. Let's think of another example. Maybe your works cited page or your reference page, your professor has told you that you need to do a hanging indent, and you're thinking, what the heck is a hanging indent? Well, let's just ask. Well, first of all, let me change this to, what is a hanging indent? And this is going to explain to you exactly what a hanging indent is. And of course, it's not showing you the screenshot, it's just showing you kind of a code example, which you can use. It'll give you the code so you can format it yourself. But an easier way to format it instead of using code would be to ask, how do I format a hanging indent in Pages on a Mac computer? And then again, it's going to give you the step-by-step instructions. You could ask, how do I format a hanging indent in Google Docs? And it will do the same thing. It will tell you exactly how to do that. Step-by-step instructions. Now, again, you can Google this stuff and come up with the same information. You can find a video on YouTube that will demonstrate these exact same things. But just getting into the habit of asking those questions for yourself and digging up those answers for yourself instead of always asking your professor is a really great habit to develop because it's something that you'll need to do in the real world outside of the classroom as well. Let's do one more. How do I record a video on my laptop? And this explains exactly how to do that. I won't do another example, but in order to create this video, I asked it how to do a screen share video, and that is how I figured out how to do what I'm doing right now, using the Snip tool in Microsoft to record these screen share videos. So when you've got a question, instead of running to your email, open up a chat and ask ChatGPT and see if you can get the answer there for yourself instead.